Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Rob here. I'd like to start by thanking all my followers on Facebook and Instagram and soon to be subscribers on YouTube. Come join me as I explore my three passions: DIY woodworking, great coffee, and quality cocktails. I'd like to take you back to some of my previously posted projects and this time explain things with a little more detail, like how it was made, what tools I used, how to build it on a budget, and how to build it with limited tools. So follow along with me and please be patient as my video editing skills are still in their infancy. I promise if you stick it out, we will grow together by observing and learning while having a few laughs along the way through my mistakes. My project list for 2021 is already quite extensive and challenging. It will be interesting as there is a variety of subject matter. I will also be exploring my second passion, which is all things coffee. I will profile different brands, types, and styles with an emphasis on supporting local. Then lastly, once the shop is cleared up and the tools are put away, we will investigate making quality cocktails, how they're made, with what ingredients and accessories that you can use to make at home to enhance their flavor and your personal experience. So thanks for watching. Since it's not Tuesday and it's not Thursday, it must be Whiskey Wednesday. So here's a sneak peek at my daughter's finished desk project. Kick back today, have a sip on me on Whiskey Wednesday, and stay tuned for the complete build video coming soon.